Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a new spark plug in your string trimmer. The new spark plug gets threaded into the cylinder, but before I can do that, I need to set the gap between the electrodes. To do that, I'll use a spark plug gapping tool. The gap can vary, so you'll need to check with the manufacturer to find out what the proper gap is for the tool you're working on. In this case, it's 26 thousandths of an inch. I'll use the gapping tool to first read what the gap is, and it's closer to 30 thousandths. So I'll adjust that gap tighter. And that looks good. Now that the spark plug has been properly gapped, I can install it into the tool. And tighten it into place. And I'll finish by reinstalling the spark plug boot.